Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing way to lose your hand fat, to have those slim beautiful hands and to look good too, literally, because when you're having those hanging fats around your hands, you're gonna be looking, awkward and fat. Okay, even if you're not fat, it's not beautiful to the sides. Okay, so this is actually going to help you to remove the fats gradually, and you're gonna be loving it. It tastes good, it is very good, and it is natural. So now when you're taking this, okay, when you're trying this out, know that you also have to stay away from some fatty food that will actually ruin your results, and you're going to be thinking that maybe it does not work. So you have to also stay away from soda and all of that. So that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and let me take you right into the video. So guys, an amazing and trickish, very simple yet very strong remedy to help you to remove those flappy hands and lose your hand fats. This is bell pepper. Okay, this is literally just green bell pepper. Okay, so what you need here is that you're not going to be using the red bell pepper, you have to use the green bell pepper. Okay, that is when you know that this juice is gonna work. Okay, because when you use the red bell pepper, it's gonna be too pepperish, and all of the ingredients that are in these green ones are already going out. Okay, so I've already prepared this one before, so I'm gonna be using it again for this ingredient. So you equally need the seed part for this. Okay, all right, so after cutting that, I'm gonna be taking this into a blender. I'm going to be keeping that aside. We're equally going to be making use of ginger. Okay, now ginger is a great ingredient. In fact, it is a medicine when it comes to losing fat, when it comes to tightening your skin, when it comes to removing weight. Okay, so it aids so much for weight loss. It also helps for cold, flu, catarrh. So I'm gonna be taking, so I've already cut this out, so I'm gonna be taking just a little of that. Alright, so after preparing that, I would have to be washing it, so to sanitize it and clean it up. Now I would have to cut it. Okay, and then transfer that into this bowl, put in a little water, and then I would be blending it, cover it up, grab my blender and blend it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Come and give me water. So after that is done, here it is, and this is how it looks like. It looks so good. So I would love to sieve this out, because in this particular one you can't actually drink it plus the chaff, which is the fiber of this. Okay, so you have to sieve it out so that you're not going to be feeling any pepper whatsoever. So this is it, and the color is amazingly beautiful too. Alright, so here I have my bell pepper and ginger ready here, and then also I'll be needing some lemon. Now, to lose those annoying ham fats, you're literally gonna be needing this, and this is lemon. Okay, although our lemons are usually green. Okay, so lemon contains citric acids in it, and those acids helps in shrinking the sizes of your fat in your fat cells, reducing them and making them shrink. Okay, so I have this half cups of lemon, although in this, since I have used ginger already, I'm not going to be putting too much of the lemon. You don't need too much of the lemon for this, okay, because of the pepper. So I'm going to be squeezing this in. So after squeezing that in, and then I would have to stir and turn it very well. Then this is ready. I'm going to be keeping this aside. So we're going to be needing to use cucumber. Okay, so I'm going to be needing this huge cucumber, although we're not going to be needing this much. So cucumber is a great ingredient that helps so much in flushing out fat, so it's going to help for the ham fat. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting that, and then I would have to be washing it first before slicing it to the size that I want. So after doing that, I'll be putting in a little water. Then I'll blend it up for like 10 seconds. Now I'm going to be sieving the cucumber out separately. Alright guys, so after that is done, I'm going to be turning the cucumber into the pepper, and this drink is going to be looking so beautiful, and it tastes also beautiful. So this is going to help you to lose all of your ham fat. You know, go try this, drink this every morning. Put just a little quantity of the lemon, not too much, okay, just a little quantity, and you drink it every morning for the space of 2 weeks, eat less of carbohydrates and fatty foods so that you will not have to ruin your results. Okay, so go give this a go and you're gonna be loving it because this is all natural. It works effectively. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was entertaining, interesting, and helpful to you in any way, and I hope you're gonna try this. Go give this a go and you're going to be seeing an improvement. The improvement is going to be visible. It's going to be, of course, you're going to begin to see that your hand fat is going to begin to reduce, and your fat literally all over your body is going to reduce too. So that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.